In this video, I'm going to show you how to work around the student ID problem. You can see that I have created a new form which is called student registration. What happens? The workflow slightly changes so that if I intend to start the animal go no go, for example, you will see that on the first screen where we set up the tablet and we enter full screen mode, excuse me, there is now a field for the student ID, and here it says please fill in the student registration form first. So I cannot proceed, I'm not able to conduct the test the first time. I'm going to go back. So the workflow would be for each student, the first thing that we need to do, I have to fill in the student registration. The ID is generated automatically, or you can enter an ID manually. I've currently allowed exactly 6 characters here, but this can be changed. So once I go to the form, and every time I open this form, a new ID is generated. I must click submit. When I click submit, we get the response review screen, but we don't care about this right now. And only now, when I go to animal go no go, the ID that I just generated is automatically filled in and I can proceed with the test. So this would be true for all forms. I fill in the student registration only once, and we may have some extra information there, not only the generation of the student ID. And afterwards, when I open any one of the tests, on the first page I will see the last user ID that I created. Here, as an explanation, I write that if the below ID is empty or the previous student ID is displayed, go to the student registration form first. So if by any chance, excuse me, if by any if by accident the assessor opens the animal go no go form for the second student before actually filling in the student registration, this result will be linked to the last student that was given the student ID or that had the student registration form filled in.